Most dash cams sold today are overpriced junk that frees up right when you need footage most. Pick wrong and you're out $200 and stuck with subpar footage. Tired of blurry night clips and shaky installs spoiling your drives? Relax, this video flags the best dash cams and shows you exactly what to look for. Today, I'm going to be going over the best dash cams that you can get right now. All of the products mentioned are linked in the description, so check them out if you're interested in any of them. With that, let's begin. At number 5, we have the REDTIGER F7N. From first touch, the dash cam feels premium with a brushed aluminum shell that suggests long-lasting durability in daily use. Its compact form remains travel-friendly, striking a balance between discreet mounting on the windshield and easy access for quick SD card swaps. The dash cam records 4K front and 1080p rear video, delivering sharper daytime footage and reliable evidence after dark. Starvis 2 sensor with an f1.5 aperture and a 6-layer optical lens ensures high-contrast footage in varied lighting. WDR and HDR technology balance highlights and shadows, ensuring night vision remains sharp and the footage usable in poor lighting conditions. Built-in 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi enables ultra-fast downloads up to 20 megabytes per second through the REDTIGER Cam app. The app allows preview and download directly from the dash cam, as well as GPS route, speed, and location data for evidence. Loop recording with automatic overwriting ensures continuous coverage while important events remain securely locked for safekeeping and later review. A free memory card is included, enabling immediate 4K recordings right out of the box without additional purchases. 2 parking modes provide around-the-clock monitoring with time-lapse and a G sensor that securely locks clips during collisions. A supercapacitor design improves durability in temperature extremes and extends lifespan versus lithium-based options, ensuring reliable operation across seasons. In real-world testing, the dash cam maintained clear daytime resolution and readable plate numbers during bright sun and wet nights. Compared to a popular rival like the Viofo Pro Duo, this dash cam offers crisper daytime video and faster wireless transfers. The pros include crisp 4K front recording, reliable night vision, and fast wireless transfer for quick footage access on the go. The cons include hardwire kit needed for parking mode and occasional app connectivity drops, which may complicate quick, on-the-go installations. At number 4, we have the REDTIGER F7N Touch. This initial impression emphasizes a premium chassis and the promise of reliable 4K front recording across varied driving conditions. Designed for safety-minded drivers, fleet operators, and tech enthusiasts, this dash cam appeals to those seeking high-quality evidence and smart features. Its compact shell houses a responsive 3.18-inch touchscreen that enables quick navigation and emergency clip locking. Front uses a 170-degree wide angle with Starvis 2 sensors for broad daytime views and night. Rear camera captures at full high definition with a 140-degree field, complementing the front's 4K capture for comprehensive coverage. Voice control pairs with a responsive touchscreen and app access, while GPS logs speed and routes over 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi. Loop recording seamlessly overwrites oldest footage when memory fills, and a G sensor detects impacts to lock footage automatically for evidence preservation. The dash cam supports 24-hour parking monitoring with time-lapse options and auto-recording on detected events when vehicle is parked. Real-world testing reveals sharp daylight footage and improved night vision with WDR and HDR, ensuring legible license plates under challenging low light. App connectivity via 5 GHz Wi-Fi provides quick file transfer, while the camera maintains stable operation through vibrations and road shocks. Compared to the original REDTIGER F7N, the F7N Touch adds a touchscreen and voice control for hands-free use. The pros include excellent 4K front recording, intuitive touchscreen and voice control, and reliable GPS-based location data. The cons include higher price and bulky size, which may deter budget shoppers and reduce compatibility with tight engine bays. At number 3, we have the IIWEY N5. This impressive dash cam is built with a premium brushed aluminum shell that feels exceptionally sturdy for daily car use. The dash cam's power design requires constant connection to a vehicle power source, preventing battery drain and ensuring continuous operation. The system uses expansive lenses with 170-degree coverage at the front and rear, plus 150-degree side cameras. A compact 3-inch IPS display accompanies 4-channel recording that captures front, interior, and both sides for comprehensive footage. Integrated 5 GHz Wi-Fi enables rapid connectivity with paired apps like IIWEY and REDTIGER for live preview and sharing. The package includes a free 128GB microSD card, and loop recording starts automatically when the engine is on. The rear camera requires a wired connection to the front unit, ensuring synchronized recording across all 4 channels. Important caveat is the absence of GPS and OBD connectivity, while built-in Wi-Fi supports app pairing without Bluetooth. Memory management uses seamless looping with segment-based saves, ensuring no video gaps as older files are automatically overwritten. In real-world testing, daytime footage remains clear with good color and contrast, while 8 infrared lamps improve interior night vision. Compared to a popular Garmin 4-channel dashcam, the IIWEY N5 matches 4-channel coverage but lacks GPS. The pros include sturdy build, 4-channel coverage, and a free 128GB SD card. The cons include no GPS and constant power draw from car charger, which may complicate installation for certain vehicles. At number 2, we have the Coolcrazy 4K dashcam. This rugged, feature-rich dashcam targets drivers who demand crisp image quality, reliable night vision, and evidence-ready recordings. Constructed with a sturdy chassis and weather-resistant finish, it feels durable enough for daily commuting and long road trips. Its dimensions are compact enough to fit most windshields without obstructing visibility, while still housing a dual-camera setup. The 4K front camera covers 170 degrees, while the rear adds 150 degrees for wide field visibility. The Starvis night vision sensor and large aperture WDR technology cut glare and preserve detail in low light conditions. Its 128GB of storage and automatic loop recording balance long-term footage retention with user-friendly management of space. The dashcam supports 24-hour parking monitoring and is built with automotive-grade durability to handle heat and vibrations. Compared with the TurboCam Pro, the Coolcrazy offers faster GPS syncing and stable 5 GHz Wi-Fi for real-time location tagging. The pros include crisp daytime clarity, reliable night vision through Starvis, and robust looping with a confident G-sensor lock. Among its downsides, the price sits higher than basic rivals and occasional GPS drift appears in dense urban canyons during busy commutes. In real-world testing, the Coolcrazy maintains stable performance across summer heat and rough roads, with the parking monitor reliably triggering on impacts. The accompanying app provides seamless wireless transfer options and GPS tag export to help organize footage after incidents. If you need a high-end dash cam with wide coverage, night vision, and reliable parking protection, this model earns strong recommendation. At number 1, we have the Garmin Mini 3. This ultra-compact dash cam remains virtually invisible on your windshield while automatically recording incidents with date and time for easy review. It records crisp high-definition video at 1080p resolution and a wide 140-degree field of view. Built-in Garmin Clarity polarizer lens reduces windshield glare to clearly show important video details during bright sun or rainy nights. Save time and avoid downloading or editing large video files with the online vault, which automatically stores important saved video clips. Voice control lets you use spoken commands to save video and start or stop audio recording in several supported languages. Gain peace of mind when away from your vehicle as the parking guard feature notifies your phone if an incident is detected. Access the dash cam remotely for live view on your smartphone when away from the vehicle, assuming a Vault subscription and Wi-Fi. Compared to earlier Garmin Mini models, the Mini 3 offers notably improved glare reduction and crisper daytime as well as nighttime footage. The pros include ultra-compact design, crisp high-definition video, convenient voice control, and seamless app integration for quick sharing. The cons include reliance on a paid Vault subscription for full functionality and the need for continuous power during parking mode. Field trials show stable high-definition footage with clear detail across bright daylight and dim nighttime conditions, aided by the polarizer's glare reduction. Its build quality emphasizes a compact, discreet housing with durable construction that remains unobtrusive on the windshield while resisting vibrations. Connectivity and app integration with Vault, Garmin Drive app, and Live View features work together to provide quick access to clips. Voice control feature supports multiple languages and enables hands-free commands to save video and start or stop audio recording. Garmin notes privacy and legal responsibilities and recommends awareness of local regulations regarding dash cameras and their placement.